All right, one other thing when you're doing this, Alex, you just want to, there's really no set direction you need to go with sweeping this thing. Just so long that you're just kind of getting it off, just stir it up any way you can. Sometimes I try to sweep it toward the skimmer or toward the drain in the bottom, but it's not critical. Biggest thing is just get it stirred up, and then let the water circulating around, get it in the spots it's supposed to be. I try to sweep these steps too, just sometimes, even though it doesn't look like there's dirt there, there's actually quite a bit. Oops. And then probably just need to backwash it like once every other day. So every 2 days, just go through the process. Again, just make sure though, if you are backwashing it, you're not backwashing it below the skimmer line. So it is good to, in the beginning here, while we're getting the pool looking good, keep that water level, somewhat near the top. This looks like it could stand to be lowered a little bit, but I'm going to let it be that way because I don't know if it's going to rain again in the next few days. Sometimes you got to actually add water from the spigot over there, but I don't think you'll have to do that while I'm gone this time. So anyway, I don't think there's anything else, but thanks again. Love you. Bye.